Hello and welcome back. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create your table of contents in a systematic way. Your content will appear in a more organized and easy to comprehend manner. First, on top of your Word document, click on Document Elements. You'll then be directed to Table of Content. Then, you are able to view a small arrow heading downwards. Click on the arrow. A list of automatic Table of Content will show. You may then select whichever heading you want to apply on your table of content. For this video tutorial, I'm selecting Classic as my heading. As you can see, your table of content is yet to be completed as there are no entries yet. Therefore, the next step is to insert entries to your table of content. I've already typed in 5 different sections to be inserted. You now need to click on the Home option on your document. Then head to Styles. Before you click on anything, make sure you highlight the first sentence or heading of your section. In this case, it's Creating Content. Select Heading 1. As you can see, our first heading is now enlarged and is formatted. Continue to apply the same rule to all of the different sections. Now, all of the first headings are prominent compared to the others. The next step is to highlight your second heading. When you've highlighted the subheading, head on to Styles and click on Heading 2. Your subheading is now formatted, but slightly smaller than your first heading. Apply the same rule to all the subheadings in your document. When you're done, each of your sections now have their main heading and subheading that is clearly distinguishable. To complete the table of content, head back to the table of content that we have set up earlier on. Then click on Table of and select Update Table. Your table is now linked to your headings and is completed. This is a very effective method to organize your content.